While everybody centers around Bitcoin and Ethereum, different open doors probably won't be on many individuals' radar. The OMG tokens are in the information at their vertical cost forecasts, and getting more financial backer consideration as a result of how they perform contrasted with the opposition. OMG organization is gradually taking off, acquiring market inclusion. The most recent news inclusion of this misjudged coin is acquiring additional consideration from the market-changing exchanging choices. We should figure out more about the OMG organization project and the story behind it. The outline of OMG organization. OMG organization is a layer 2 scaling arrangement that has worked for the Ethereum blockchain. It permits clients to move ETH and ERC20 tokens less expensive and quicker than making those exchanges straightforwardly on the Ethereum organization. The OMG organization was established by Chadakavanji, a Thai resident working as an auxiliary of SYNQA, which is a Thailand-based fintech organization. It is a decentralized, public organization that permits high throughput, minimal expense, shared exchanges. With it, anybody can execute a scheme across topographies, resource classes, and applications. The OMG network permits one to get to, make do, and execute utilizing advanced resources that are put away safely on the blockchain. The organization depends on a scaling arrangement known as more viable plasma. It utilizes a sidechain designed to make a clump of a few exchanges, which can then be checked utilizing a solitary exchange on the Ethereum root chain, as indicated by OMG organization. This innovation can possibly scale Ethereum to large number of exchanges each second. This is way higher than whatever Ethereum 1.0 can deal with, which is 10 to 14,000 exchanges each second. The ongoing cost going off is being credited to financial backer fervor. OMG Organization Group is carrying out a few new turns of events, which should be visible on their task site. OMG token holders are qualified for Boba Administration Token, which has been in the news as of late, as indicated by the task site. Boba organization is an Ethereum Layer 2 hopeful roll-up scaling arrangement. The point is to lessen gas expenses, further develop the exchange throughput and expand the abilities of savvy contracts. Named Boba organization, the undertaking is a Layer 2 arrangement that will permit exchanges of most digital currencies to have an installment cycle at a lightning-quick speed. This will build the perceivability of cryptos as a practical opponent to Visa and MasterCard. In the event that this innovation fundamentally alters the way how the world handles monetary forms, it will be the following enormous thing in the fintech world. We should investigate industry specialists and best cryptographic money gauge stages perspectives on the OMG organization cost expectations. In view of our OMG cost forecasts, a drawn-out increment is normal. The OMG organization cost gauge for 2026 is $19.23. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 283.72%. As per their OMG cost figure, the coin could cross $7.30 before the current year's over and $9.67 by 2026. Taking into account OMG has acquired than 200% in 2021, however, is as yet 70% underneath its pinnacle. It has grabbed financial backers' eye. In the event that the DeFi and NFT space keeps on warming up and the Boba network turns into a hit with designers, OMG organization cost could detonate, and its worth could become 10 times by 2025. In light of the OMG organization's authentic value information and expectations, we anticipate the OMG organization cost could be exchanging around $7.27 toward the year's end 2022. Likewise, it very well may be $11.77 precisely 1 year sometime in the afternoon. In the following 3 years, the most elevated level OMG organization cost could reach as $32.61. As per our specialized examination and conjecture on past value information of OMG, in 2022, the cost of OMG organization is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $4.98. The OMG cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $5.98 with a typical exchanging cost of $5.14, assuming we see how well it is doing. The OMG organization cost is at 3 years high, with the ongoing cost exchanging at $5. This high, whenever preceded, can surpass 4 years high in no less than a year. It keeps a decent up-moving business sector. The value history of OMG organization isn't that great in the past 2 years. The cost changes have not been fascinating for crypto exchanging this time span. The ongoing cost of OMG organization is $5.01, with the crypto positioning at number 101. The market capitalization of OMG organization is around $699,630,149.64 and a circling supply of around 140,245,398 OMG coins, which is the most extreme coin limit. The most recent 24 hours ups and downs have been $5.10 and $4.80 individually. The gathering has been consistently expanding over the course of the past year and is as yet predictable, with the OMG breaking out the present moment, beating different estimates. The ongoing business sector cost shows a positive feeling developing, with the predictable cost volume activity connoted by the green lines on volume. The diagram is way over the illustrative SAR, and the collection appropriation marker is additionally moving upwards pleasantly. The passage for merchants could be the new high framed, yet it is smarter to have a decent solidification and put market orders when the cost drop recurs. This is a decent technique to enter utilizing the cup and handle design. However long the cost stays over its 50-day moving normal, the section ought to be great for merchants to use as a passage. The benefit taking can be made by involving exit systems for cryptos, since they are considerably more unpredictable. So utilizing the right leave technique to bring in cash is the only thing that is in any way important. Utilizing a short union base, a dealer or financial backer can enter during the development of the OMG organization and leave when the instability is low. OMG Organization Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, the OMG value pattern will keep on reflecting potential gain force according to our OMG organization conjecture. Thus, the OMG cost is supposed to reach $6.58 this year. For long-haul OMG organization cost expectations, fundamental specialized investigation is required. Regarding industry arrangements, the OMG token offers a couple. The OMG organization runs a bug abundance program, which rewards software engineers to track down blunders inside the organization and assists with fixing those issues. This motivator to find issues in the organization makes it very great, as any issues that will be found could be accounted for back to the improvement group, and the issues could be fixed. This will empower the OMG organization to remain protected from bugs over the long haul. OMG Value Forecast 2024. The OMG coin will stay in the vertical cost pattern in 2024. By 2024, the OMG cost is supposed to be around $7.15 in view of our OMG organization cost forecast. The base cost can go up to $6.17 assuming the market stays bullish. On the drawback, the OMG organization cost could confront a cost drop. However, it will remain over its help level of $9.13. OMG Organization Value Expectation 2025. In 2025, the future might be great for OMG organization cost as it acquires the reception rates it was searching for. The worth gave to the clients will empower it to remain in the best 50 cryptos in those years. The dangers implied with the OMG are non-existent, as it intends to carry out a superior element sooner rather than later. OMG Organization Value Expectations 2026. It is as yet prescribed to do possess research not to confuse the individual gamble. The OMG cost gauge framework will have a remark about the cost of OMG organization. Yet either exchanging or contributing ought to be done when one knows about the crypto market gambles and the latest thing. What's to come results might be unique. However, every individual's gamble resilience is unique, which makes it